Hey everyone! Today we're talking about one of the most powerful time management strategies you can use in college, backwards planning. If you've ever found yourself saying, wait, when did this become due tomorrow? This one's for you. Backwards planning is simple. First, start with the end goal. What's due, when, and in what format. Then break the project down into steps from the end back to the beginning. Estimate how long each step takes and assign real start dates. Congrats, you just built a plan instead of procrastinating into panic. So you have a due date, now what? This is where the magic happens. Think about your due date as your finish line. Then list out every step you need to complete before that date. We'll break down how to do that part in a minute. Now move backward from the due date to assign start dates for each task. This method takes the guesswork out of time management. You'll know exactly when to start instead of hoping you'll feel ready later. Let's walk through an example. Let's say your final essay is due on November 22nd. Here's what your steps might look like when you plan backward. Turn in your essay. Now, you need to find research, read and highlight your research, create an outline, write your rough draft, and edit and revise. Notice we're thinking from the finish line backward, but we'll do them forward. You basically break your big, scary project into smaller, doable chunks. Each step builds on the one before it, like academic dominoes that actually fall the way you want them to. Next up, time estimates. This is where most students either wildly underestimate or overthink things. The key is to be realistic and a little generous. Here's an example of how you might plan your time. Turn in your essay, 0 days. That's your due date. Edit and revise, 2 days. Write your rough draft, 2 days. Outline, 1 day. Read and highlight your research, 2 days. And find your research, 1 day. Once you've got your time estimates, add each step to your planner or calendar. If it's not scheduled, it's optional, and optional work rarely happens. Suddenly, that giant assignment looks a lot less terrifying and a lot more manageable. Add your tasks to your planner. Now that you've worked backward and figured out your timing, put it somewhere you'll actually see it. Add it to your planner, Google Calendar, phone reminders, whatever tool you'll actually use. This is what turns a plan into action. And here's the best part. When you plan backward, you build in breathing room. That means fewer all-nighters, less stress, and more time to actually enjoy college, or at least not completely spiral. So that's backwards planning. Start with the end goal, break it into steps, and map it out backwards so you know exactly where to start and when to start. It's one of those habits that separates the barely surviving the semester students from the I actually have time to breathe students. Give it a try on your next big assignment, and trust me, your future self will thank you.